What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your laptop and PC in 2025. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is go to whatsapp.com/download, and then essentially click the link over here that says download it to basically from the Microsoft Store. So you can either download it from there, or you could just straight up log in from your browser as well. It just tells you to put in your phone number. There's like a QR code it scans, and then it'll connect directly to the browser. So we can do that as a separate video. But for today's purpose, you'll click into download from the Microsoft Store, and then you'll see it'll give you the installer basically that you can just press save and then go from there. So you can either open up the Microsoft Store, search WhatsApp, get it from there, click the download over here, basically download the installer, same thing, it'll install, and it's the same process as always. You'll just put in your phone number, and then it'll ask you to scan the QR code from your phone, because you're basically kind of mirroring your phone into the computer then, and then it'll be on your computer. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, if you guys like the video, please smash that like button. Guys, on your channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Mo Tutorials out. Peace.